I guess they weren't lying when they said we were going to get some snow. Supposedly, we ended up with, I don't know, officially maybe 14, 15 inches. It's still snowing, but we've got drifts that are close to 3 feet. Shoveled a little bit of a path here, just in time because the wind is picking up. And now I just gotta shovel that over so I can get the rabbits their water, some food, some hay, and see how they did. Tarp definitely did well. Everybody's good. Everybody's happy. I am gonna have to tack this back down with some staples because we're supposed to have 50-mile-an-hour winds tonight. Ducks are out. I think chickens have said no thanks to being outside today. You'll notice that these two tan rabbits are in a new location. That's because my two girls are actually two boys. I swear they were girls last year, but I checked them when they were pretty young, and checked them a couple weeks ago, and lo and behold, I got two more boys. Everybody's fed, everybody's watered, everybody has extra hay. No babies yet, but that's okay. We'll keep going. Everybody last year was late, so holding out hope. See you on the next one.